Today I'm going to be showing you how I make clam chowder at home. I start off with placing a Dutch oven on the stovetop, putting oil and making sure that it gets very hot before I throw everything in. I end up dicing an onion, celery, and carrots that I end up throwing into my Dutch oven when the oil is hot, and I saute this for about 7 minutes. I like to prep everything beforehand because this part goes really fast. I make sure to mix so nothing gets stuck to the bottom. Then I end up throwing 4 tablespoons of flour into the mixture and mixing it very well. After I let the flour cook down a little bit, then I make this mixture in this big measuring cup. I will have everything listed down below so you know exactly what you need and how much of it. I make sure to mix so the flour does not stick to the bottom of my pot. Then I throw in my potatoes along with 2 cups of milk and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I let that come to a boil. As soon as that comes to a boil, I cover it and put it to a lower heat for 20 minutes. And then I check the potatoes. If they are soft, I throw in the clams and bring everything to a boil again, and then it is ready to be served. And all that's left is to plate and enjoy.